If you need to request a refund for your ChatGPT subscription, this video will walk you through the process step by step in a simple and easy way. Whether you signed up by mistake, no longer need the plan, or just want to cancel and get your money back, I'll show you exactly what to do. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software guides just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open ChatGPT in your browser or app and log in with the account that has the subscription you want refunded. This is important because refund requests need to be made from the correct account. Once you are signed in, go to the Help Center. You can usually find this by looking for the Help or Support option inside the ChatGPT interface. Click that to open the support area. From there, you'll want to open the Chat Support window, which is typically located in the bottom right corner of the Help Center page. This chat support tool is where you can submit your refund request directly to the support team. Now type in your message and clearly request a refund for your ChatGPT subscription. Keep it short, polite, and direct. After that, the support system may ask you to fill in your email address, so enter the email linked to your ChatGPT account. Make sure it is typed correctly, because this is how they will identify your subscription and contact you about the request. Once the email is entered, click Confirm to submit everything. After you confirm, your refund request will be sent for review. Depending on your situation, you may receive a response right away or be contacted later by support with the next steps. That's really all there is to it. You've now learned how to request a refund for your ChatGPT subscription through the Help Center and chat support. If this walkthrough saved you time, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.